Here is the question, and here is our mind map approach. We have seen this passage in earlier lessons, and this is the mind map we came up with. Our first bite was the first sentence of the passage. What did it do? It raised a question around whether this scientist can be considered a remarkable one. Our second bite is this part of the passage. What did this bite do? It developed a case for yes as the answer, as in why this scientist should be considered a remarkable one. Then we saw a contrast trigger, followed by what we can consider the last bite of the passage. And what this does is to develop a case for no as the answer, as in why this scientist cannot be considered a remarkable one. We completed the first 4 steps, and now we must go about reading the question stem. We must approach this question as a general inference-based question where the context of inference has been highlighted for us, making our job easier. This text has been quoted as a part of illustration of the talents that our scientist had outside astronomy. We see that our scientist is a gifted astronomer who has done significant work in the field, and he has also been involved in these gigs. Therefore, it is correct to say that his work as an advocate for science education represents only a fraction of his capabilities. This answer choice can be inferred. There is no mention of his advocacy for science education being related to his work in any other field, so this cannot be inferred. Similarly, no friction between this role and other roles has been discussed, so this cannot be inferred. There is no mention of this work ever becoming his primary focus, so this statement cannot be inferred. The passage does not draw any comparison between his work as an advocate for science education and his work as a climate change activist. Therefore, to say that one represented his capabilities better than the other would be a pure assumption. C is the correct answer choice.